sa mga 3-time blood donors sa ating munisipyo. Pero bago po yan, bibigyan ko po muna kayo ng brief introduction sa ating voluntary blood donation program. So, ang voluntary blood donation program po ng munisipyo ay naumpisahan mula pa noong administration ni Mayor Acuan na pinagpatuloy ng administrasyon ni Mayor Guerrero na kung saan ang Association of Barangay Council ang sponsor. At taong 2007, under the administration of Mayor Felipe, lalo pong pinaigting ang kampanya ng voluntaryong pagbibigay ng dugo. At meron po kaming napasang resolution approving the establishment and composition of the Municipal Blood Council for the Municipality of Anao. At sa bisa po ng Executive Order No. 8, Series of 2008, thereby creating the composition of Municipal Blood Council for the Municipality of Anao, na kung saan ang MBC ang nagplaplano ng mga activities patungkol sa voluntary blood donation. At noong taong 2007 po, nakapag-conduct tayo ng isang bloodletting activity with 24 blood donors or equivalent to 10,350 cc ng blood. At year 2008, we have conducted 6 bloodletting activities sponsored by Anao PNP, MBC at ang clustered barangays ng Casili, Rizal, Bagindong, Sinense, Suaverdes, and Bantog. Na nagkaroon po tayo ng 15 bags or unit or equivalent to 69,750 cc of blood. Kaya po tayo na-qualify as dun sa National Sandugo Award, na-qualify si Mayor. Dahil na-meet natin yung criteria na pag 5th class municipality, dapat naka-6 bloodletting activities sa isang taon. So, gaya po ng nasabi ni Ms. Lopez, congrats po sir. Sa 29 po yata yung awarding. And so from once a year na nag-bloodletting activity tayo, naging 6 times yung ating bloodletting. At dahil sa regular ang pag-meet ng MBC, nakagawa po kami ng internal rules of procedure. And under Section 4 of Rule 6, sa internal rules of procedure ng MBC, states that blood donors shall be adequately recognized as heroes in the community. Certificate of recognition and exclusive I Save Life certified blood donor t-shirt will be awarded for at least 3-time blood donor and duly certified by the Provincial Blood Coordinator. Awarding of certificates and t-shirts schedules every July in celebration of the National Blood Donors Month. So ngayon na po yung second year ng pagbibigay natin ng award sa mga 3-time blood donor. At ngayon po, inaanyayahan ko po lahat ng members ng MBC para po pumunta sa harap para sa awarding ceremonies. Ang ating pong Municipal Mayor as Chairman, members, ABC President Cesar Bautista, SKF President Nesty Joy de la Cruz, Dr. Amelia Bulseco, Dr. Maria Teresa Bartolome, Architect Perlina Adolfo, DILG Officer Renalyn Iglesias, Police Senior Inspector Edison Pastasio, Miss Celia Ignacio, Miss Teresita Quindara, Miss Maricar Carlos, Mr. Alvin Butay, Mr. Lupino Aban, Mrs. Emiliana de la Cruz, Mr. Lito Lacar, Mrs. Zenaida Gonzalez, Mr. Joel Limpin, together with our guest speaker, Dr. Ramos, Miss Luz Lopez from DOH, CHD3, Miss Malu Pajardo, our Provincial Blood Coordinator, and Honorable Vice Mayor Alberto Obena.